How to delete Snapchat call history. So if you want to delete a Snapchat call history, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, now go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and go for settings, which will be on the upper right. And here you need to scroll down, and once you've scrolled down, here on the bottom you will have account actions, and under that you will have clear conversation. Tap on clear conversation, and now if you want to delete any call history or any chats, then you just need to simply tap on the chat that you would like to delete. So for example, I'll be choosing a person, and once you choose, you can simply go for the right side of that person, which has that cross icon. Tap on the cross, and it says this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation, but it will clear the conversation, like your calls and everything, unsaved messages. So simply tap on clear, and once you tap on clear, your messages or your call history will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Snapchat call history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.